it's Patty from Thronateeska, and I want to do something today to show you about something you hear about but you never really know about. And in school you talk about basically we say the three forms of matter, the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And then sometimes we'll mention that fourth one, plasma. But when we do, we just kind of say, yeah, and there's that fourth state of matter, plasma, but you're never going to say blah, 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 blah. That's all you hear about it. Now, I do want to show you that it does exist, and it's closer than you're thinking. So we always give the example that lightning is plasma, but who can go out and touch lightning? I know I can't. So I want to show you something that you can do at home. I got a little plasma globe here, and you can get these little things at Walmart, or you get them off the internet. They're not terribly expensive. You get them for maybe 14 bucks. And we've all played with these things. But what I want to remind you about is that plasma is real. And I don't ever want you to take my word for it. I want you to have some evidence. But plasma is charged gas. Okay, charged gas. That means electrons are popping off everywhere. So I've got an example of this so that I can give you some evidence. Evidence is the big thing. Never trust me. Okay, this is a light bulb, and you have to do it with a fluorescent light bulb. The fluorescent light bulb has a gas in it, and don't break them because it also has something in here, mercury, that's not good for you. So only do this when your parents are around, and you're very, very careful. Do not break these things. Okay, but there's a gas in here, and when the electricity goes through, the gas gets charged and it gives off light. So what I'm going to do is we're going to look at this plasma bulb in the dark and play around a little bit, and I'm going to show you that plasma really is charged gas. So what we're saying is it's charged and the electrons are popping off of it. So we've all done this. We can take our finger, we can play around with it. We can take little objects and notice that sometimes they get moved away from them or towards them, okay? Depending on the charge, notice that that's moving away. But here's the real proof. If electrons really are popping off of here, it should be able to light my light without being plugged in. I do not even have to get it close. And I don't make it touch. I'm just getting it close. Now, what's happening here are the electrons are popping off from this charged gas, which is plasma, and they're hitting the gas that is inside this fluorescent bulb, and they're causing that gas to glow. So, you don't have to go be like Benjamin Franklin and harness lightning to give an example of plasma.